Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hasanah and my NPM 20020010023. And in this video, I want to submit assignment about the ESP for program development with the lecturer Mr. Arbain MPD and me as a presenter. The development of ESP register analysis. In linguistics, a register is variety of a language used for a particular purpose or in a particular social setting. Register analysis is an analysis of grammatical and lexical features of the language used for a particular purpose or in particular social setting. This concept comes from the principle of ESP that English of a specific change differs from each other in terms of its grammatical and lexical features of the register. By register analysis, the lecturer or teacher can produce a syllabus which gives high priority to the language form students would meet in their change studies and in turn would give low priority to form they would not meet. Ewer and Hux Davies 1971, for example, compare the language of the text their change students had to read with the language of some widely used school textbook. They found that the school textbook neglect some of the language form commonly found in change text. For anomalous phonics, i.e. modal verb, their conclusion was that the ESP course should therefore give precedence to this form. Rhetorical or discourse analysis. In this stage, the second phase of development shifts attention to the level about the sentence as ESP become closely involved with the emerging field of discourse or rhetorical analysis. It focused to understand how sentences were combined in discourse to produce meaning. The concern of research, therefore, was to identify the organizational patterns in text and to specify the linguistic means by which these patterns are signaled. These patterns would then form the syllabus of the ESP course. The typical teaching material based on the discourse approach taught students to recognize textual patterns and discourse markers mainly by means of text diagramming exercise. If we take this example sentence, I don't have enough money, and we put it into two different dialogues, we can see how the meaning change. First, do you want a cup of milk? The second, I don't have enough money. The third, have you get lunch? And the fourth, I don't have enough money. Stage of ESP development. First stage, focus on language at the sentence level. Second phase, shift attention the level above the sentence or putting into play discourse or rhetorical analysis. As in stage 1, there was a more or less tacit assumption in this approach that the rhetorical patterns of text organization differed significantly between specialist areas of use. The rhetorical structure of change text was regarded as different from that commercial text. Target situation analysis will lead the teacher to form a syllabus John Moonby in commutative syllabus design, produce a detailed profile of the learner's need in terms of communication purpose, communicative setting, the means of communication, language skill, function, structures, etc. Skill and strategies. In this stage, we concern to the two thinking process underlie language use and focus on underlying interpretative strategies. Some experts have made significant contribution to work or reading skill to describe about this process where the medium of instruction is the mother tongue, but students need read a number of specialist texts which are available only in English. The principal idea behind the skill-centered approach is that underlying all language use there are common reasoning and interpreting process which, regardless of the surface form, enable us to extract meaning from discourse. Target situation analysis. Target situation analysis was aimed to take student exciting knowledge and setting it on a more scientific basis by establishing procedure for relating language analysis more closely to learners' reason for learning, or Hutchinson and Waters, 1987. In ESP course, there will be a process of knowing student purpose to learn English known as need analysis or target situation analysis. The focus should rather be on the underlying interpretive strategies which enable the learners to cope with the surface form, for example, guessing the meaning of word from context using visual layout to determine the type of the text exploiting cognates, i.e. words which are similar in the mother tongue and the target language, etc. Focus on specific subject register is unnecessary in this approach because the underlying process are not specific subject to any subject register. Learning-centered approach ESP concerned with language learning rather than language use. The important and the implication of the distinction that we have made between language use and language learning will hopefully become clear as we process through the following chapters. There are some main points that to be mind focus in this stage. This is anyhow not the main concern of ESP science, describing and exemplifying what people do with language. Therefore, a valid approach to ESP must be based on an understanding of the process of the language learning. I think that's enough all about my video for ESP program development. I'm sorry if I have a much mistake, and thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.